Hi, I'm Swathi from Indiahikes. As more and more trekkers take to trekking, we're noticing many trekkers asking us whether they can trek with health issues. Many of them have chronic issues like BP, diabetes, asthma, many of them have heart disease, and they're all wondering whether it is advisable for them to go on a Himalayan trek. Here I cannot tell you a direct yes or no because a lot depends on your situation and how serious your ailment is. But what I can tell you is twofold. One is before you decide on a trek, consult your own doctor whom you've been visiting and tell them that you're planning to go on a Himalayan trek and whether that's advisable. Secondly, do watch our series called Ask Dr. Shri. You'll find the playlist right here. In this series, she actually covers a whole lot of issues. Starting right from diabetes, blood pressure, asthma, heart disease, name it, she covers it because she is a high altitude trekker herself and she's a doctor. So she knows exactly what permutations and combinations can happen in the mountains and how you can tackle it. So do these two couple of things. Aside from this, what I can advise you to do is choose from our easiest list of treks if you've not trekked before. Start with the easy treks or the easy moderate treks. These are nice stepping stones into the Himalayas that will actually give you an exposure to what it is like to go on a trek. Why I'm suggesting these treks is because they have easy exits on the trek. So if something goes wrong, you can very quickly in 1 or 2 hours get out of the trail and come back to the base camp. This is not the case for our moderate or moderate difficult treks where once you go into the trek, it actually takes many hours and maybe days to come out of the trek. So start small, maybe even just out of your city, small treks, but in the Himalayas, I would recommend the easier treks. So this is what I have to say if you are suffering from any of these issues. If you find that we've not covered any of the topics in our Ask Dr. Shri series, please drop in a comment and we'll help you out. You can also personally write to Dr. Shri on drshri@indiahikes.com. You'll find the email ID here and in the link in the description. If you still have doubts that you'd like to clarify, don't hesitate to call us because we're always here to give you some expertise on trekking in the Himalayas along with whatever issues you're facing. We'll be coming up with a lot more such videos resolving doubts of trekkers in this FAQ series, so make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon next to it so that you're notified of our next videos. That's all from me today. I'm Swathi from Indiahikes.